Sewer main construction for a new home build coming at you right now. So we just wrapped up foundation construction on both homes. And so after foundation's in, we're using the crawl space method. The next step is utilities. And so we're tapping into the city sewer and the city water. We've been fortunate enough to have existing stub outs already here. There were homes here before, and they've been fortunate enough to cap those in the ground where they were at existing. And so generally, we would have to go out to the street, cut a hole in the street, find that sewer main and connect to that sewer main. But we found a stub out. It's about 8 foot deep. It's a little deep for us, but we got down there, we're connected. We're actually ready for permitting on this one here. We're working on the other one now. That needs to go ahead and finish getting dug out and connected and all that good stuff. And so we're connected. We got our clean out in case there's ever any issues. You can just run a Roto-Rooter through there, get that thing cleaned out. We're stubbed into the crawl space and we're ready for inspection. Next step is water connection. We're gonna actually have to go out to the street on that one. That's a little bit of a cooler process actually. So we're gonna cut a hole in the street, find that water main connected, and we're gonna run that to the crawl space as well. The plumber will take over from there, but as you know, we're gonna show you that process as well. And so stay tuned, more coming soon. Peace.